Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and today I'm going to show you what came in the mail. It is a PotomacBeads subscription box for the Treasure Edition. You can order one of these on their website and get this sent to you monthly, but you never know exactly what's going to be inside. It's always a whole bunch of beads at a really great value, and I'm excited to see what there's going to be this month. And I'm going to take everything out individually and show it to you up close. They give a theme to each month's box, and this one is Whispers of Antiquity. The first thing I pulled out of the box are these size 8 Miyuki seed beads. They're a really nice bead, and you get a full tube. You also get a full 16-inch strand of the Potomac pearls. These are 6mm baby pink color. And a bag of Czech chili beads. These are a 2-hole bead with a little bit of indented cup shape in them that come down to a point. A large bag of these Czech glass 6mm bicone beads. Next we have these Czech pressed English cut beads in a mauve color. And 2 of these SS24 chatons, and they're a black diamond. And we have these ear wires. They come with a setting to put a crystal or a bead of your choice in to help match anything that you're making. And this is more of a beading supply. You get 5 bead trays. And as a beader, these always come in super handy. Lovely IrisDuo beads. These are a great bead. This is the ancient gold mix. How fun are these? These are round trio beads. They have 3 holes in them. There's quite a few in the bag. The Czech cathedral beads. Always beautiful. And then a blue. And there are these 3 Czech glass deco print beads. One strand of Czech glass faceted rounds. It's a 4mm. Also some loose Czech 4mm faceted rounds. And a bag that had some Czech 7mm faceted rounds. And also some 10mm faceted rounds in this crystal AB. A package of Czech daisy black diamond 4x8. I really love the Czech daisy beads. If you haven't seen the metallic ones, they're really amazing, and these transparent ones look super nice too. Silver plated and 8mm in size, they're definitely going to add a lot of sparkle to a project. If you're looking to try new beads or build a stash and don't know where to start, you should really check out one of these subscription boxes for all of its variety.